Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because this braids look good on me. This is my first time trying a very short hair and I feel so good in it. I'm so excited. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to take you through how I was able to get this beautiful twist on my head without stress. Now let's get right into the tutorials. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm braiding my hair using Darling Kinky hair, and honestly I didn't even plan this to turn out like this, because tell me why. I only used one pack and I was not expecting it to be enough at all. Like, I genuinely thought I was going to run out halfway and would have to go get another one, but as I kept going I realized, wait, this thing is actually stretching, and even till the end I still had some hair left, which is kind of surprising, I'm not going to lie. So if you are someone who is trying to save cost or just manage what you have, this might actually work for you. So for this style I went in with a simple braiding pattern, nothing too complicated, just something neat and protected. And guess what, if it's not about protective hairstyle, count me out. I really wanted something that would last but also not put too much tension on my hair, because lately I've been focusing more on length retention and keeping my hair healthy and not just styling. So on every strand I start braiding my hair down before I add on the extension. So the measurement of this hair was actually uneven because I was just gauging with my eye instead of measuring the hair with each other. The sealing of the end is very important, because if you don't seal it well, it will start losing before you even think of unbraiding. So sealing the ends properly is very important, you have to note. As I'm braiding, I'm also trying not to rush, because one thing I've learned is the neater your part, the cleaner your hands, the better the final. So I'm just taking my time, adding the hair gradually and making sure everything looks even. And can we talk about the texture of this hair? The kinky texture actually blends so well, especially if you have natural hair. It gives that full look without needing too much product or effort, and it just makes the whole style look more natural and realistic.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
about the back for a second, because honestly this part, it was not easy as it looks. I wasn't even using a mirror back here. I was literally just using my hands to feel my way through even everything. Like I'm just there trying to figure out where my parts are, just getting and hoping for the best. I was basically using my fingers to trace the lines, trying to make sure everything feels straight, even though I can't actually see what I'm doing. And once in a while, I'll just stop and check my camera and see what's going on at my back, because that's the only way I can actually confirm if what I'm doing makes sense or not. So if the lines are not perfectly straight, please, it's not my fault, don't blame me. I literally did this based on vibes and imagination. No mirror, no guide, just me and my hands. Don't think I've done well. And you know the back is always the hardest part, because your hands are not even as flexible as you want them to be. Like you are stretching, turning, trying to get the right angle. It's a whole workout on its own. At some point, my arms were even tired, but we moved. But honestly, I think this is something that gets better with practice. You just get used to it. You don't even have to force it. With consistency, it is fine. The more you do it, the more your hands kind of understand your head shape, if that makes sense. So if the back is not perfect, it's still okay, because at the end of the day, when the braids are done, everything blends together and nobody is really coming to stand behind you and start checking parts one by one, you know, right? So you just have to focus on the front and make it nice and you're good to go. So yeah, don't stress too much about getting the back perfect, but if you're good at it, no worries, you can still do it as perfect as you want. And don't be like me, try and use mirror, because I don't have one yet. I'm yet to get one, but if you have it, you can still use it. So let's talk about the finished look. After everything, I just mold it, scalp it with my scalp, and then wait for the moment of truth to see the final results. And it came out so beautiful.
It take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
This braids looks so good on me. In fact, this is the first time I'm trying a very short hair like this, and I look good in it. I'm so excited. I'm super happy, and I hope you're going to try it and also share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful. So I want you to share your comments with me in the comment section, and I'll be right there to answer you guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Mwah.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Guys, thank you so much for sticking and staying through the beginning of this video to the end. I really appreciate it. Now don't forget to subscribe, you like, you share your thoughts in the comment section, and then you give a thumbs up. You hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys a lot. Bye guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one.